Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Aditya Sharma. Today we will discuss about the autocoids. There are a number of autocoids present in our body, namely histamine, bradykinin, prostaglandin, angiotensin. From these, we will discuss only about one autocoid, histamine. Firstly, we will discuss about what is autocoid. The term autocoid is derived from the Greek word autos, which means self, and akos, which means healing substance, remedy, or medicinal agents. There are natural occurring compounds produced by the wide variety of cells in the body having intense biological activity but generally act locally at the site of synthesis and release. ऑटोकॉइड ऐसे सब्सटेंस और केमिकल्स होते हैं जहाँ प्रोड्यूस होते हैं वहीं पर ही अपने इफेक्ट्स शो करते हैं ये एंड वहीं पर ही डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाते हैं. They also have been called as local hormones. They are differ from hormones because hormones are produced by the specific cells and are transported through circulations to act on distant target tissues. But in case of autocoids, they show their actions where they produce. Autocoids are also involved in number of physiological and pathological processes, especially in reaction to injury and immunological response. And about classification of autocoids. The autocoids are classified in three types: amine autocoids, lipid derived autocoids, and peptide autocoids. The first autocoid we will discuss is histamine. Histamine is a chemical messenger mostly generated in mast cell that mediates wide range of cellular responses including allergic and inflammatory reactions, gastric secretions, and neurotransmission in parts of brain. Histamine is a beta-imidazole ethylamine derivatives present in all mammalian tissues. Heat location of histamine is it is distributed throughout the body, mostly within the storage granules of mast cell and WBCs. Tissue rich in histamines are skin, gastric and intestinal mucosa, lungs, liver, and placenta. Synthesis and degradation of histamine is a beta-imidazole ethylamine. It is synthesized locally from amino acid known as histidine and degraded rapidly by oxidation and methylation shown in figure. In mast cell, histamine, which is negatively charged, it is held by the acidic protein, and heparin is a positive charged within the intercellular granules. When the granules are extruded by the exocytosis, sodium ion in extracellular fluid exchange with the histamine to release it free. Increase in intracellular CAMP caused by beta-adrenergic agonist and methylxanthines inhibit the histamine release. Histamine is inactive orally because liver degrades all histamine that is absorbed from the intestine. Histamine receptors. Histamine produce the various effects by acting on some receptors which is called as histamine receptors. Histamine receptor is of four types: H1 receptor, H2, H3 and H4 receptors. In this we will discuss about the receptor type, its location, specific antagonist. H1, H2 and H3, H4 receptors are G-coupled receptors. Its locations: H1 receptors are present on intestine, bronchial, uterine smooth muscles, CNS, sensory, nerve endings, endothelial cells. H2 receptors are present on parietal cells of GIT, blood vessels, heart and brain. H3 receptors are present on brain, lungs, spleen, skin, gastric mucosa, certain blood vessels. H4 receptors are present on thymus gland, small intestine, spleen, colon, bone marrow. Specific antagonist. These are the antagonists which block the receptors. H1 receptor blocker is chlorpheniramine. H2 receptor blocker is ranitidine, cimetidine. H3 receptor blocker is thiopyramide and buramamide. H4 receptor blocker is thiopyramide. And about the pharmacological actions of receptors are: H1 receptors contraction of smooth muscles, vasodilation of blood vessels, increase in capillary permeability. S3 receptors show their pharmacological actions by increased gastric secretions from gastric glands, vasodilation of blood vessels, relaxation of uterine smooth muscles, positive inotropic and chronotropic effect on heart. S3 receptors, vasodilation of blood vessels, decreased neurotransmitter release. S4 receptors causes chemotaxis of WBCs. And about the pathophysiological role of histamine is, first is pathological role. It is used in the hypersensitivity reactions. It is used in inflammations reactions. Physiological role of histamine is gastric secretions, neuronal transmissions, tissue growth and repair.